Hey everyone, how's it going? And in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your Roblox location. As you can see, if I go to my settings right over here, and then under my account information, which shows my account location, there is no pencil option, and that is because you cannot directly change it. What you can do is head over to help, and from there right over here, I need help with my account. And then what you need to do is go to settings. As you can see, we don't find anything that says of our location, so click on see all 17, and then what you can do is right over here at the bottom you see account location. Click on this. Now as you can see, how do I change my account location? You need to do request a support form. So click on this support form, and then your name, you need to put in your parent ID, you need to confirm your parent or guardian's email, and then what type of device are you using your Roblox on. This is very important. Is it a PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, whatever it is. Let's say an Android phone. And then type of category. So you want to click on how to, and then under please select change my location. You can write in, hey, I recently moved from Bangladesh to Mexico and I need to change my location on Roblox. Please update it to Mexico for me, and then hit continue. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.